Hey, good morning. This is Rich, the Tritoon Catfisherman. I'm on Lake Gaston in North Carolina. We're over by the Roanoke Rapids Dam. So we're on close to mile marker 1. It is about a little after 7. A lot of fog. Water temperature is roughly around 59 degrees. Today's video is it's going to be a quick down and dirty on some fishing tips. So how to rig your lines and your rods. As you know, in the first video, my introduction video, I talked about the placement of your rods. I got 2 here. I'm going to have 2 on the sides. I've got to set up one more rod over there. And I got 2 up forward. Joe, if you can kind of just pan around there. I'm out here fishing with my buddy Joe. And so if you, as you saw, I have 2 in the front. So I have 4 in the back, 2 in the front. In my latest video, I talked about planer boards. You're going to see how I hook those up now. So the first rod I'm going to put out is going to be the one with the planer board. So I'm going to get that at the furthest. So I'll show you how I'm setting up a few. So I'm talking about the planer board. So we're in roughly around 58 foot of water. So I'm going to take my drag all the way off. And then I'm just going to drop it down. We're going to drop her all the way down there, get all the way to the bottom. Then I'm going to let it out probably 60, 70 feet. Then I'll put my planer board on, and then I'll let it go out about 75 feet behind the boat. And as you remember, if you watch my planer board video, it separates the lines. And so once I got all these lines up, and I'll show you with the planer board, and then I'm going to kill the video and then come back to it later and show you with everything set up and all the planer boards running. So I'm just letting this go. All right, it's on the bottom now. So I'm going to let it run a little bit. And I'm going to do the same thing over here so I can get a couple rods out at a time. And we've had a lot of rain the last couple of weeks. So the water is really muddy. We were out here yesterday on my birthday, me and my buddy Billy, and caught 1 fish. And that is it. So line's dragging out, so I'm just gonna let it go for a little while. This is gonna be the back, or the other planer board rod. So we're going there, going. Almost to the bottom. Almost there. Felt the touch on the bottom, so that's on the bottom right now. So I'm going to let some of that line out while I get the planer board on this one. So I'm going to stop it. And if you remember, I talked about how to put the planer boards on my planer board video. All right. So once I got it on, all right, I'm gonna sit there and I'm gonna just toss it out a little bit. And now I'm just gonna let it go out. So all right guys, listen, I'm gonna end this video now and I'll come back once we have all the setup going on. And hopefully we'll get on some good fish today, and I'll show you that too. All right, don't button. And this is just a little tip, as I said, a little quick video on putting your rods out. You guys have a great day. And if he's big, then I'll get the net up.
What?
I'm hitting a hump. Go ahead and slowly pull him up, because you don't want him to start running and he's going to start running into the other lines. Once we see him, I'll get the net. Let me know when you see him. Oh yeah, he looks like he's gonna be a good size one.
It's amazing how filthy this water is.
Yeah, and it's normally like not like this. Yeah, don't let him get on the other side. Oh, there he is. All right. Yep. Start pulling this way so we don't get tangled up in that drift sock. Oh, that's a big one. That's gonna be 20, 25 pounds. All right, I'm gonna stop the video now so we can get them in.